Hi, this is Greg Garcia, president of GTX Insurance Partners. I wanted to make a quick video on the Texas personal auto policy and some of the limitations or coverage gaps that we see from carrier to carrier. One of the first items is custom equipment. Anything that the manufacturer does not put on the car or truck is labeled, for the most part, customized equipment. So these are two examples. Obviously, lift, customized rims, tires, even custom paint job with logos and stuff, or a mural. That would be considered customized equipment. So there are limitations. We've seen everything from $2,000 of customized equipment down to $500 of customized equipment. So that's the limitation, and it'll differ from carrier to carrier. There are some carriers that give $0 for custom equipment. In order to get coverage, you would need to endorse the policy and add the value of it. So definitely have that talk with your agent, and if you want the coverage, but there definitely is limitations to it. This is usually what you see: ranch hand on an F-250, for example, toolbox, front and rear bumper. Those are standard, but the average price, that could be $3,000 or $4,000. So obviously there would be a gap there. So the second item is Uber driving and or delivery with your vehicle. You want to talk to your agent and discuss with him or her regarding the driving, because there's some endorsements for some gaps. So Uber, for example, they will have a policy that will cover when a person gets into your vehicle, and of course your personal auto policy excludes that. But when you're waiting for, if you're an Uber driver and you're waiting for a call to pick up, that coverage is excluded. So you have to endorse that onto your auto policy in order for there to be coverage. It's very inexpensive. It ranges from $17 to $25 for the year to have that coverage. So you don't want to have the discussion after a claim. The third item, which I think is actually one of the biggest problems, is something called permissive use driving. So if an example of that is Uncle Bob comes down from Nebraska, drives your vehicle, he's not on the policy because he doesn't live with you, drives it to the store, gets into an accident. Some companies won't cover it at all, they'll exclude it, and you have to pay it out of your pocket. Other companies will pay for the accident, but they will only pay state minimums. So in Texas, the state minimum is 30, 60, 25. And what will happen is, if you have an umbrella and you have higher limits of liability, if you have $500,000 of liability and you have a $2 million umbrella on top of that, and Uncle Bob drives it, they will only pay out state minimum, and then the other party will sue you, and the umbrella will not protect you because it's specifically excluded on the policy. So again, that's a big deal. In conclusion, the auto insurance carriers differ in coverage big time from company A to company B to company C. So having an independent agent that can jump through the hoops to give you options when these criteria come up, that's what you want to have. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Phone number is 210-647-1112, or email us at service@gtxins.com. Thank you.